the two girls together here for a second. Oh, and she bailed shit. That's little Valerie. Where are you going, babe? Where are you going? Valerie! 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 Oh, sometimes she looks at me like she knows her name. She's too busy playing. Where'd Sissy go? Oh, there's Sissy Udessa. Trying to play with my shoe. What is so interesting on my shoe? Hmm? Hmm? There we go. Where'd you go, Valerie? Where'd you go? Hopping all around the place.